Welcome to our home decor channel. In today's video, we will show you how to renovate your kitchen and give it a fresh look with modern and functional decorating ideas. Discover how to transform this key space in your home into a stylish and practical area. Let's get started. One of the most effective ways to renovate your kitchen is through the colors and finishes you choose. Explore current trends, such as neutral tones with pops of color, the use of geometric pattern tiles, or sleek metallic finishes. These subtle details can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your kitchen. Functionality is key in a renovated kitchen. Make the most out of your cabinet space with smart storage solutions, such as organizing baskets, pull-out shelves, and spice organizers. Additionally, consider installing cabinets with sliding doors or handle-less opening systems for a modern and clean look. Lighting plays a crucial role in renovating your kitchen. Incorporate ambient lighting with recessed ceiling lights or LED light strips under upper cabinets. Additionally, don't forget about functional lighting above work areas like the countertop and cooking zone. Combine different types of lighting to create a cozy and practical ambiance. Decorative details and accessories can add personality and style to your renovated kitchen. Consider adding elements such as indoor plants, artwork on the walls, vases with fresh flowers, or washable rugs to add warmth to the space. Additionally, use colorful and organized kitchen utensils in attractive containers to add a touch of fun and functionality. Kitchen renovation can also include upgrading your appliances. Opt for modern and energy-efficient appliances to enhance both the appearance and functionality of your kitchen. From refrigerators and stoves to dishwashers and microwaves, choose those that fit your style and needs. If you have enough space, consider creating a dining or breakfast area in your renovated kitchen. You can add an island or a breakfast bar with stools to make the most of the available space. This will not only add functionality, but also become a cozy spot for quick meals or casual conversations. And there you have it, ideas to renovate your kitchen with style. Remember to consider trendy colors and finishes, optimize storage, adequately light the space, add decorative details and accessories, update your appliances, and create a dining or breakfast area if possible. We hope these ideas inspire you to transform your kitchen into a modern and functional space. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time.